first part of my video is going to be basic conducting patterns. We are going to take a look at 4-4, 3-4, also 2, and then 1. 4-4 has this basic motion. This is a prep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 is out, 3 is out, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and off. Next, we will be doing 3-4, which has 3 motions, so the prep would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, and off. Next, we would be looking at 2, which is sort of, imagine being going on a diagonal almost, something similar to that, but it would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, off. Next, you'd be looking at in 1. So 1 is kind of just straight up and down in a line, but it would be 1, 1, 1. Make sure you're hitting that focal point. 1, 1, 1. Then off. Thank you. This has been the basic conducting patterns. Okay, the next thing that we're going to be looking at is dynamics. We're going to take a look at piano, mezzo forte, and forte. We're going to take a look at all of them individually and then show how we transition in and out of them. So piano would be very soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. Mezzo piano is a little bit louder. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Notice how my gait is a little bit bigger and it just gets a little bit of a bigger arch and things of that nature. Next, we're going to look at mezzo forte, which is a medium loud, so that's pretty average conducting. So it would be 2, 2, 2. Next, we're going to look at forte, which is very loud, so that would be pretty big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then off. Now we're going to show how we're going from piano all the way up to forte and back down. So here's piano. Mezzo piano, mezzo forte, and then forte. 4, bring back down. All the way down to piano. And then off. Next, we're going to take a look at marcato and legato. Marcato is more of a tact feel. Legato is a long, kind of flowing feel to how you conduct. So marcato would be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. It's very punctured. When you think about the point of this, you're hitting on all of those icti. Next, we're going to look at legato, which is a little bit more free-flowing. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then off. Next, we're going to transition from marcato to legato. So we have 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, off. Alrighty, now we're going to look at prep beats for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So a prep beat is basically you want to prepare your entrance into each one of the beats that you could possibly go into. What you're going to do is think about backing up from the beat each time. So let's do just regular and 4/4 coming in right on 1. So it would be back up from it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, you back up 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. So next on 2, if we look at where 2 falls, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 here. So you're going to back up from 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. So again, that would be, you're going to back up from 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Next, we're going to look at the prep beat for 3. So if you look at where 3 falls, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, right there. So you're going to back up from 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. So again, you're going to back up from 3, which appears 1, 2, 3, back up from 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, off. Next, we're going to do the prep beat for 4. So if you look at where 4 falls, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to back up from 4 and go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, that is take it back from 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Hi, now we're going to look at cutoffs on 1, 2, 3, and 4. So a cutoff on 1 is going to be your typical cutoff. So what you would do is we'll go through a measure of 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And end it like that, a big cutoff. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and end. Cut off like that. Next, we're going to look at a cutoff on 2, which keep in mind that when you cut off, you're going to be going in the opposite direction of your direction that you would normally take for your next beat. So what we're going to do is do a measure of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right there. We're going to go the opposite direction. Again, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right at 2. Next, we're going to do a cutoff on 3. That would be, let's have a measure 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again, that's going the opposite direction. When you cut off, you're rebounding the opposite way. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Next we're doing a cutoff on 4. So first you're going to start with a measure of 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Again, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right on 4. Next, we're going to do an internal cutoff on 1. So the key to internal cutoffs is that you want to make sure that your cutoff puts you in a place to take the next beat right away. So what you would be doing here is, let's take a look at normal 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to cut that off, you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. See how where I end my 1, it puts me in the correct position to take on 2. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, off. Again, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm cutting off so that I end up in a position to bring myself back to 2. So what we want to do now is take a look at how to make an internal cutoff on 2, which puts us in the right position for 3, excuse me, rather. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Again, that's putting me right in the position that I need for 4. So here it is again. Now we're going to look at an internal cutoff on 3. Again, 3 is going to put us right in position for 4, so we'll take you a little bit slower so it's easier to see. But that would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. So what you're doing is you're putting yourself right in that position to take the 4 again, so that would be 1, 2, 3, off. 1, 2, 3, off. 1, 2, 3, off. 1, 2, 3, and like that. Our final instruction is going to be internal cutoffs on 4. 4 is going to take us to beat 1. If we cut off correctly on 4, put us right in the position to take up beat 1 again. So here we go.